In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to design checkbox in Figma. We'll build a simple reusable checkbox component, give it checked and unchecked states with variants, and wire it up so it toggles in prototype mode. By the end, you'll have a clean, testable checkbox you can drop into any design. Start by opening Figma and heading to the file or frame where you want to work. Look toward the app's lower toolbar and open the area for plugins and widgets. This is where we'll grab an icon quickly without leaving Figma. In the search field, look for the Iconify plugin. If you haven't used it before, install it. If you have, just open it. Inside Iconify, search for check. Pick a simple, clear check mark that matches your design style, then drag it onto your canvas or into the frame where your UI lives. Resize it so it feels right for a checkbox. Something around 16 to 24 pixels typically works well, and align it to a square area you intend to use as the box. Style it so it reads as a checkbox. Use stroke to define the box outline and adjust the stroke weight and color to match your design system. If your design uses rounded corners, give the square a small corner radius. Keep fills minimal so the outline is clear, and ensure the checkmark sits comfortably inside with enough breathing room. Next, convert this into a reusable element. Select your checkbox elements and create a component. With the component selected, create a variant so you'll have two states. In the first state, remove the check mark icon to represent the unchecked version. The second state should keep the check mark for the checked version. For clarity, you can name them unchecked and checked so they're easy to manage later. Switch over to the prototype tab. Connect each variant to the other so they toggle back and forth. Set the interaction to onClick and choose Change To as the action. This tells Figma to flip between the two states whenever the user clicks the checkbox in prototype mode. Keep the transition snappy so it feels responsive. To test it, open the Assets panel, drag your new checkbox component onto the canvas, and place it wherever you need. Then click Present to preview. Click the checkbox in the presentation to confirm it toggles cleanly between checked and unchecked. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.